And tonight, Avon school leaders hosted a frank conversation with families about the deadly consequences of drug abuse.
So this comes after 2 students died from overdoses within just about a month of each other. So tonight, Logan Gay shares the district's message to families to keep this kind of tragedy from happening again.
He was a good kid, and I will always say that.
Even in her grief, Shannon Jones can't help but smile when she thinks about her son Ray.
He was a funny kid. He liked to joke. Like I said in the video, he was a protector, and I think that's what he's doing now.
He was one of 2 Avon students who died from drug overdoses recently. He was only 15 years old.
This wasn't who Ray was. You know, it was an experiment, and he was just a teenager and made a bad choice.
The tragedies prompted the school district to invite students and parents to this workshop to learn more about addiction, substance abuse, recovery, and mental health.
That we are seeing a drug trend that's beginning to actually start to target young people.
It's not just experimenting, it is experimenting with something that could have drastic impact on your life that first time that you tried something.
The district's counseling and mental wellness coordinator says the landscape has changed with mental health, especially post-COVID.
Kids are dealing with more anxiety, more depression, more stress, and we are seeing kids internalize those pieces more, and that's when you see things happen like substance use and substance abuse.
And knowing the signs could save lives.
The biggest thing I would tell parents to watch out for is a change in your child's behavior. What is different from their normal?
Shannon says she didn't notice the early signs that Ray might be thinking of trying drugs. Now she's made it her mission to save other families from this heartache.
It's important for me to be Ray's voice and just put the message out there that it can be, again, your first time, your second time, your third time, 1,000th time, and you don't know what's going to happen.
In Avon, Logan Gay, 13 News.
Well, tonight the CDC just released new numbers showing how deadly drug addiction is in the U.S. So there were an estimated 109,680 overdose deaths last year. The year before that, the country saw a 15% increase in overdose deaths. And in 2020, that number was 30%.